Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back, everyone. In the next couple of videos, we're going to discuss some extras when it comes to reading Arabic words, okay? We've looked at all of the major important things from all of the letters in Arabic, how they look, the sounds they make, and how they appear when they're at the beginning, middle, and end of a word. And lastly, we looked at how the sound that that letter makes changes depending on the haraka that goes with that letter, namely the dhamma, the fatha, and the kasra. So in today's class, we're going to look at the tanween. Tanween. So what is the tanween? The tanween essentially is the doubling of a haraka. It is the doubling of a vowel or diacritical mark. As you can see in these three here, we've got two dhammas above this ba, we've got two fathas above the ba, and two kasras below the ba. So these three are examples of tanween, okay? This is essentially what tanween is. It is a doubling of the vowel or haraka. But what difference does it make when we come to read these letters? Surely there must be a difference. So if there was just one dhamma, then we would pronounce this bu. As you know, we would have pronounced it as bu. But when we make it a tanween, and this is across the board, when it becomes a tanween, then all we're doing essentially is adding an end sound at the end. That's all. So it went from being bu to bun. Bun. Okay? So what about when we have the fatha as a tanween? So then we would say ba. If it was just a singular fatha, okay? But because it's the tanween, because it's been doubled, then it's telling us it must end with an N sound. So it becomes ben. And lastly, what about the kasra when it comes as a tanween? Then it would have been bi if it was just a singular kasra, but because it's come as a tanween, then we must add the N sound to the end, so it becomes bin. Okay? So the first one, because it's a tanween of the dhamma, we would say bun. The second one, because it's the tanween of the fatha, we would say ban. And the last one, because it's the tanween of the kasra, we would say bin. All right? And it really is as simple as that. And we can look at just a couple more examples, again, writing it out. For example, we would say, or rather you tell me, how would you pronounce this? Is it abu? No, it's abun. Abun, yeah? What about if we put a tanween of the fatha here? Do we say aba? No, we would say aban. Aban. And lastly, what if we put a tanween of the kasra on this ba? Then we would say abin. Abin. Okay? Something very important to know about the tanween is that it only comes at the end of a word. Okay? The tanween only comes at the end of a word. You will not find the tanween come at the beginning or at the middle of a word, okay? The tanween will be on the last letter of a word, okay? Usually, a word will end with a tanween when we want to signify that it is what we call in grammar, nakira, meaning indefinite, to make it different from something which is specific, okay? But don't worry about that right now, okay? At the moment, all we want to do is ensure that we know how to read and pronounce the tanween. Okay, so here we've got abun, yeah, abun. Here we've got aban and abin. Okay, so that's it for this one. Inshallah, I'll see you in the next one.